In today's fast-paced digital world, managing and analyzing data efficiently is more important than ever. But with so much information to process, how can businesses stay ahead? Enter NordStellar, a powerful platform designed to revolutionize the way you handle data. In this video, we'll explore what NordStellar is, why you should use it, and how to get started. NordStellar is an advanced data integration and analytics platform that helps businesses unify, analyze, and visualize their data from multiple sources. Whether you're dealing with customer information, sales data, or operational metrics, NordStellar provides a seamless way to bring it all together. With its AI-driven insights and user-friendly interface, NordStellar empowers teams to make data-driven decisions faster and more effectively. So, why should you use NordStellar? Here are 3 key reasons. Centralized data management. NordStellar integrates data from various sources into one unified platform, eliminating silos and saving time. AI-powered insights. The platform uses artificial intelligence to uncover trends, patterns, and actionable insights you might otherwise miss. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, NordStellar adapts to your needs, growing with you as your data demands increase. In short, NordStellar simplifies complexity, enhances productivity, and drives smarter decision-making. Now, let's dive into how to use NordStellar. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Sign up and log in. Visit NordStellar's website, create an account, and log into the platform. Connect data sources. Use the intuitive interface to connect your data sources, such as databases, cloud storage, or APIs. Create dashboards. Build custom dashboards to visualize your data. Drag and drop widgets to display charts, graphs, and key metrics. Analyze and explore. Use NordStellar's AI tools to analyze your data. Generate reports, identify trends, and uncover insights. Share and collaborate. Export your findings or share dashboards with your team to foster collaboration and alignment. NordStellar is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not a data expert, you'll find it easy to navigate and use. NordStellar isn't just for one industry, it's versatile enough to benefit any sector. Retailers can track sales performance, healthcare providers can analyze patient data, and financial institutions can monitor market trends. The possibilities are endless. Ready to transform the way you work with data? Visit NordStellar's website today to learn more and start your free trial. Unlock the power of your data and take your business to the next level with NordStellar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.